Hey, here we are in the cough drop aisle at CVS. Looking at all the different cough drops available. Got some deals on the Ludens down here. 2 for $4. I like the Breezers for $2.99. Some CVS brand ones, sugar-free menthol, but I'm not sure what those would taste like. Black cherry looks interesting though. So that's something new. I haven't seen this one before. Sugar-free Halls Citrus Blend. Not sure how that would taste with a sore throat, if that'd be too sour for somebody with a sore throat. I probably would buy the Halls Breezers. I also like the Ludens because I had those when I was a young kid, and they tasted more like candy than something more medicine-y to me. And let's look down here. The Ricola. I don't know. They have some sugar-free lemon mint, but those are a little pricey for what they are. The honey herb looks good. That's something new I haven't seen either. And then you have the cherry. It says it's a oral anesthetic drops that might make your throat numb. I don't know if I would like that. I don't want something that numbs my throat. I just want something that's soothing to it. And then down here, that's a good price for those. It says it has 33% more. So I think I'm going to pick these three as my choices. The 33% more Halls. The Halls Breezers that are creamy strawberry. That looks really good. And the wild cherry. I would pick those three. And that's what I would get.